Apple Magic Mouse 2, not comfortable for you. Try adding an ergonomic. Yes, Will.
Yeah.
Yes. Hey, Will.
Huh?
Yes.
All right. How come this didn't come sooner?
Mouse base is just a simple fix for Apple's problematic pointer. Now, granted, you and I, we buy these ones because we also like having tactile buttons and so forth, right? So this is the MX Master 3 that I'm using at the moment. And I like to have the secondary wheels and just like the mechanical pieces and elements of it.
Yeah.
But that's not going to be for everyone. Some people really like the gesture-based inputs on the Magic Mouse, but then they want something that fits in their hand a little bit more like this, so they're not cramping up with the carpal tunnel. I guess this is where this comes in. This new product, or adapter, attachment, or ergonomic add-on, let's call it. Cradling the mouse in a palm-fitting shell that requires no adhesive, it's intended to make using the Magic Mouse 2 for many hours less of a strain on your hand. Thanks to its larger footprint and ergonomic curves, it sadly can't fix the underside charging problem, the goofiest recharge in tech history. It switches off when connected to a power source. It only works with the second-generation Magic Mouse 2, and is worth noting it's not supporting the battery-powered model. What? Battery-powered model.
Did they have batteries at some point?
Like they mean removable battery version. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Oh, look, it comes in different colors.
Not bad,
It looks so much more comfortable. I can just start looking at it right now. It looks so much more comfortable. What I do like about it, no adhesives. I'm guessing you can just click the thing off, in which case, if you want the smaller footprint for travel or for a laptop bag, you can still go with the smaller Magic Mouse, but then when you're doing a more extended mousing session, you clip this piece on there and you're back to it. So the mouse base is available on Amazon. It costs $29.99. And you know what? Is that reasonable? I think it's reasonable for the Apple crowd. Although you just clicked on it and all of a sudden you're showing me like funky gaming mouse pads.
I think it defaulted to CA.
It's a CA problem.
Yeah. But
well, listen, good luck to everybody that's looking for it. Apparently those new colors aren't available yet. For the moment, it's going to be a light gray color, but the team intends to follow up with a dark gray version and a wider array, 7 additional shades to match the entire iMac lineup. I think they're going to sell a few. I love a simple invention.
Yeah.
Which is immediately understandable. And there's something about purchasing products like this where you're like, the proposition is so straightforward, and then you get it, and it just solves this one thing well. And just like, oh, beautiful. No complication. No, okay, let's see what the ratings are. Why did somebody give it a 3? Just real quick. We just need to know here. Make sure you have the right mouse and not the Magic Mouse version 1. Okay.
Because of the battery issue.
Okay, right? So I don't know that deserves a 2-star. I feel like they... The other person says the base fits the mouse, although there's nothing keeping it down. It sits on top. The base itself was too big for me. My fingers weren't long. Oh, so they don't like
maybe not for
size of it. That's a small hand. That is a smaller hand. No, it is. Is it not? What?
That mouse looks gigantic.
That's got to be a smaller hand.
So that's what it looks like.
But I mean, somebody can probably, you know what? Let's just order it. Let's just order it. We'll find out for you exactly how it fits. And maybe we'll do a comparison to we'll do it here on this show. Yeah, we'll do it on this show as a clip. And we'll compare it to this one and see how it fits. It's $29. Cool.